till you get the bubbles, girls. Get the bubbles, Riley.
Massey, you probably don't want to eat those bubbles. They're soap. Guess you want to eat soap. Mom, it wasn't the most expensive bubble machine.
Riley, stop!
Riley, if you lose all your bubbles, we don't have any more. Why don't you put the cap on and put it over here? Okay?
Bubble, bubble!
So we don't waste our bubbles. That's all we have. Tighten the cap. Don't undo it. We're done.
Bubbles!
We don't need any more.
Hey,
Go
Dad.
chase bubbles. Go get some bubbles.
Get him, Tegan.
Don't dare.
Madison, easy.
Take that one.
Get it, Tegan. Did you get it? Tegan, did you get it?
Oh, you go get that bubble, Riley Bug.
Do you like the bubbles?
Come on, Bug. Bubbles. Come get them.
Come on, walk to Mama. Good girl, man. Oh, man, we're back to knee walking.
Mama, look. Mama, Riley's talking to you.
What, honey? What is it? Thank you. Thank you, big girl. What'd you get? Thank you. Flower. Thank you. It's the most beautiful weed flower I've ever seen. Right, Tia.
I haven't seen Jimmy's girl out and around. I don't think that was her that day. See, there's that little barker, Taney, right over there.
I'm coming, Riley. Hold on. 1 minute. Where she go? Hold on, Riley.
Say that. No. Oh, I think you're going to pop your bubble. And then it. Yes. Come on.
Oh!